Welcome to Papyrus Plans. I'm Tasha. Ready to create something beautiful? Let's dive in. Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's fill out my July currently page. All right, let's get started with the cost of what I usually get at Starbucks. Okay, my usual order is $5.71. And I'm going to use my Pigma Micron in the 0.5 size. All right, up next are eggs. So I'm going to go to Kroger. Whoa, I think it's the best price all year. Eggs have finally dropped back down to mostly a reasonable price. $3.19. I think it's been over a year since it's been that low. Now let's check out the price of gas. All right, so regular gas is currently $2.66. Again, looks like the prices are starting to slowly drop back down to normal. All right, now let's work on my currently prompts. So I've been currently grooving to Rear View by TobyMac. It's a really inspirational and encouraging song, and I'll try to remember to link it below, but it's just really positive, and just has a great beat. So, and I love most music by TobyMac, so check it out. All right, some items I've been currently streaming have been The Good Ship Murders, I think that's on Acorn, and The Art Detective, and that's on Prime. So I've been looking at those two series. My family and I love to watch murder mysteries, so these are really lighthearted ones, and so I really like that. Okay, so one of the things that I've announced has been the launch of my Christmas movie marathon planner. I have both the weekly, monthly, and combination versions, so you can check those out. But that's something that I've worked hard on too, and I launched that in July. Okay, so it includes both planners and stickers, so again, be sure to check that out. All right, so that's going to be it for my July currently page. Let me know what music you've been grooving to, what have you been streaming, and what's some things that you're announcing. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay inspired, and thank you for watching.